So, crew cab short bed 6.5 project. Oh. We've got a lot of stuff going on here under the hood. This is the wiring harness from the 6.5. A lot of stuff's already labeled. There's some great resources online for wiring diagrams, as well as you can get a book at a lot of your local auto parts stores. Because they're both Chevys, a lot of the colors match up. There's differences for the diesel versus the 454, which is what was in the red truck. We went from 93 6.5 two-wheel drive to 99 four-wheel drive 3/4 ton 454. So none of the plugs matched up with the firewalls, and we're rearranging a lot of the wires. It's still kind of a mess. The other thing that we're having to do is rewire the transmission. This here's the 93 plug. The pinouts are a little bit different, I'm told. So this is the 99 plug. We're going to run the 99 transmission off of the 93 computer. So I'm told it's been done. I'm told it's the same controller. So we're going to see what we can do to get it going. Thanks for watching.